My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Dami and Ruthie don't finally come out to contend a public apology over the gbasgbos wey be say they give Wanni, Onyeka and Ocee for inside the Big Brother mansion. And also Zion don't come out to come attack Nigerian musician Odumodu Black over his statement regarding his girlfriend wey be say be Chinwe for inside the Big Brother mansion. So few hours ago, they do the live eviction show and they evict Cassia, Topher and Ocee, with Cassia having the highest number of voters for the bottom three. As we all know, K Squad already plan to say their strategy na to eliminate wetin be her name, Cassia, from the game so that they go fit concentrate on voting on Kelly, and the thing actually worked out for them, which I am happy for them. So a lot of things happened during the live eviction show, like Kelly revealed to the housemate to say he and a woman, wey be Cassia, say they are not actually besties, say but they don't marry, and their marriage go become 8 months in on Tuesday. This Tuesday wey be say they come so. So last week, Big Brother bring back some evicted housemates, Dami, Ruthie and Chinwe. So they really caused problem for inside the house. The truth be say there were a lot of subscribers when these three people come into the house. People subscribe to Showmas, people subscribe to DSTV, which I have proof for that. Because me, I subscribe my own when the three of them enter into the Big Brother house. Show this season have been very boring. Everybody don't dey complain. So Big Brother just come think and to say, who be the people wey be say really give me a little bit of gbasgbos wey be say I evict, he can go bring them back into the show. Bring them back into the show, they can't give certain housemate better wotu. They give Wanni better wotu, Onyeka and Ocee nearly to collect small. So the extent say they won't try to go physical with the housemates for inside the house. So coming out on Sunday, coming out from the house on Sunday, they can't realize say people, fans, BBNaija fans, not actually they happy with the way they take behave for instance. So make una listen to Dami apology before I go read that Ruthie on.
Hello everyone, my name is Damilola and I am making this video to publicly apologize to my followers, my friends and everyone that has been affected by the altercation I had earlier in the house with my fellow housemates. I want to take a moment to sincerely apologize for my behavior because I believe and I know now that it was completely out of line, and I regret my words, my actions, and I take full responsibility for everything that I said or that I did, and I am really sorry. And I want to use this medium to publicly apologize and personally apologize to Wanni, Onyeka, Ocee and Ozi and Suj.
I don't hear Dami now. She don't do her apology finish. So Ruthie can't come and she can't say clarification. The theme for last week was the past, the present, and the future. So agent DROC, the DROC mean Dami, Ruth, and Chinwe. Work was only for last week, and we were fully aware we weren't going into final week. All the finalists shout from DROC was to poke housemate who Biggie complained has made the show boring. We are all actors in the game acting a brief, from shilling Rezona to hiding eggs and taking housemates plantain. However, make we no lie, at times actors dey too enter character, and I personally apologize for things that were said to at Osim, but you no vex my guy. You will always be my guy, but come kinda nice to see say that fire dey there. If DROC no come now, that part no go come out, and fans should calm down please. Drama touch your fave no be bad thing, na wetin all of us sign up for. For me, it was the Ruthie brand receiving a brief from a brand and executing it excellently. A lot of people re-subscribed for the first time in a long time. People stayed and watched the show after the party till 5 a.m. I am happy, the organizers are happy, and please, we want you fans to be entertained too. The truth be say no lie dey for wetin she talk. Everything wey be say the girl talk na the absolute truth. Fine, they overdid their part for inside the house, but Big Brother go don show them the analytics, how people take, how viewers take watch, how, what time they watch reach and all of that, for her to fit give us this kind analysis wey be say she give us. So fans don dey shout since say the show dey boring, the show dey boring. They bring people come to spice up things, everybody dey shout say they embarrass themselves. E get who no dey embarrass himself for Big Brother house? Na only this year sef now I see say most housemates no embarrass themselves. For the previous years wey dey come, there must be 2 to 3 people wey dey always embarrass themselves for inside Big Brother house, so no be new thing to us. Me, I really enjoy the gbas wey be say DRC agent bring come last week. So unto Zion matter with Nigerian musician Odumodu Black, una remember to say when Chinwe come inside the house, when during her altercation with Onyeka, she made certain statements regarding Odumodu Black. According to Chinwe say make Onyeka go suck Odumodu cause na him be the only person wey be say go be carry her when she's out of the Big Brother house. Odumodu found that statement very insulting. I don't know why. The truth be say, why Chinwe go even drag Odumodu Black into her altercation with Onyeka? So that statement vex the guy. He can't come out to come drag Chinwe too. He can't say you spent 11k on your yash, but you cannot even run. Come put F. Zion now wey be say be Chinwe boyfriend both before inside the show and outside the show come out to come defend the woman. He come say big kala sit this one out, make we not get issue, let the females rumble. See what I don't understand for this our entertainment industry. People not know their mates anymore. Everybody just dey talk to people anyhow. I go dey see some the likes of wetin be him name, Oju go dey talk to Davido anyhow, DJ Chicken go dey talk to Wizkid anyhow. Imagine Zion wey be say come out from Big Brother house wey no get any talent wey those is whatsoever. They talk to Odumodu Black wey be say at least him don work hard to become a musician, a recognized musician for Nigeria. As much as I like to say Zion dey try to defend the woman, that's the way they put that statement. They very disrespectful to me. All of us they know who be our mate and who they above us, because whether we like it or not, all fingers can never be equal. So as he make that statement to Odumodu Black, Odumodu come out to come respond to him. I'm not go fit play the video of wetin Odumodu Black talk because na the word wey use for there they against YouTube community guidelines. So wetin Odumodu Black they try to tell Zion to say Zion na jealous person and him na woman rapper. He even come further tell Zion to say if Zion see him for road, make Zion go the other way. If Zion not ready to fight am, if they see each other face to face, make he go the other way. So amidst the gbas wey they go on between Zion and Odumodu Black, some fans come out to come react to their two situationship. First person here say because of stanship, you all will not speak the truth. He shouldn't have involved himself in females beef, and Zion isn't wrong to defend his partner. Yes, Zion not dey wrong to defend the partner, but na Chinwe na find trouble. Odumodu Black dey own. She carry herself, carry the man name, put for inside fight wey be say she and Onyeka dey fight, which was really unnecessary. That person come say and big calamat no good. If you reply Zion, come put plenty laughing emoji. Another one say Zion, you set suppose identify as a woman and join the fight now, as your husband don't let us know say na she dey feed you. Ever since Chinwe make that statement say na she pay for everything, their trip, their hotel and everything, the clothes where Zion wear come Big Brother house, since that time the streets don't lose their regard for where Zion dey. So they talk, if they get issues with your partner, no dey allow anger dey control you, because most of the time you no go know secrets wey be say you go spill and people go use them against you later in the future. Anyways, this year Big Brother go end on Sunday. From my observation, the 3 people wey be say I know to say their strong base strong where I be their fan base strong where na Kelly Ray, Wanni and Victoria. But still my mind they tell me to say Nelly and Anita get strong fan base, because come to think of it, they always dey up. All the time we say don't they up, they never really appear for bottom 3, and 2 of them na the dynamic duo where we say make their way into the finals. Big congratulations to all our finalists. I think I mentioned their name: Anita, Nelly, Onyeka, Wanni, Kelly Ray, Ocee, Victoria, Suj. Make fans better go vote, because this one will be say they online they talk say the money is married, the money is wannified. Una go surprise say na different person go win if una no vote. Una take care, una bye.